Hey gearheads and DIY mechanics! Welcome back to our WeeklyTools channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into the ANCEL DS600 Bi-Directional scan tool. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this tool promises advanced diagnostics and powerful features. Buckle up and get ready to see if the DS600 lives up to the hype. So, let's get started. First impressions and hardware. Right off the bat, the DS600 impresses with its sleek design and solid build quality. The 8-inch touchscreen is responsive and bright, making navigating the menus a breeze. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful quad-core processor, ample RAM, and enough storage for software updates and diagnostic reports. Plus, the included rear camera is a handy feature for capturing VIN numbers and taking photos of problem areas, OBD2 functions, and beyond. Of course, the D600 isn't just another OBD2 scanner. It goes beyond the basics, offering comprehensive diagnostics for all major vehicle systems, including engine, transmission, ABS, seniors, and more. You can read and erase trouble codes, view live data streams, and perform active tests to pinpoint issues quickly and accurately. Bidirectional control and ECU coding, the game changers. But what truly sets the DS600 apart is its bidirectional control and ECU coding capabilities. This lets you command actuators, solenoids, and other components to test their functionality directly, without relying on manual operation. Additionally, you can unlock hidden features, program new ECUs, and even perform injector adaptations on specific vehicles, a huge advantage for professional mechanics and savvy D'ers. On top of its diagnostic prowess, the DS600 offers a whopping 31+ reset services. Need to reset the oil service light after an oil change? No problem. Want to relearn your TPM sensors after rotating your tires? Done! These built-in features save you time and money, eliminating the need for expensive dealership visits. The DS600 comes with free lifetime software updates, ensuring you always have access to the latest vehicle coverage and diagnostic features. Additionally, a subscription unlocks even more advanced functionalities like expert reports and remote diagnosis, perfect for professionals who need that extra edge. ANCEL DS600 Bidirectional Scan Tool. Pros and cons. Pros: bidirectional control, user-friendly interface, extensive vehicle coverage, decent hardware specs, affordable price. Cons: subscription for software updates, not ideal for complete beginners, limited customer support. Overall, the ANCEL DS600 is a powerful and versatile scan tool that is well suited for professional mechanics and serious DIY enthusiasts. Its bidirectional control and ECU coding capabilities are valuable for advanced diagnostics and repairs. However, the higher cost and learning curve may deter casual users. Before purchasing, consider your needs, budget, and technical expertise to see if the DS600 is the right choice for you. So, is the ANCEL DS600 worth the investment? In my opinion, absolutely. It's packed with powerful features, offers exceptional value for money, and its user-friendly interface makes it accessible for both professionals and D'ers. If you're serious about diagnosing and maintaining your vehicle, the DS600 is a tool you don't want to miss. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which OBD2 scanner you prefer or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.